Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Sausage Cookbook is probably one of the most comprehensive guides you'll ever find for crafting delicious sausages at home, taking you from selecting the perfect meats and spices to mastering the art of casing and cooking, with stunning visuals and easy-to-follow instructions that will transform your kitchen into a sausage-making haven, no matter your skill level. And this video will help you decide if this cookbook is right for you. Number 5. Great Sausage Recipes and Meat Curing, 4th ed. Welcome to the world of sausage making. This guide will take you through everything you need to know, from selecting the right meats to mastering the art of curing. Choosing the right meat is crucial for delicious sausage. We'll explore different cuts and their ideal applications, helping you make informed decisions. Learn the proper techniques for grinding your meat and mixing it with seasonings. Consistency is key for a superior final product. This section delves into the science and art of meat curing. Discover various methods to enhance flavor and ensure safety. Master the art of stuffing and shaping your sausages. We'll cover different casings and techniques for achieving perfect links. Learn the best ways to cook your creations, whether grilling, smoking, or frying. We'll also explore preservation methods to enjoy your sausages for longer. This book is packed with amazing recipes. From classic Italian sausages to unique gourmet blends, there's something for everyone. What we like. It has classic recipes and instructions on meat curing. If you are a traditionalist or value time-tested methods, this is the cookbook for you. Its updated edition ensures you have the latest techniques and safety standards. What people say. Ingredient measurements for sausage are most often given for batch sizes of 10 and 25 pounds, sometimes the 10 pounds listing is replaced by 100 pounds. I have made several batches out of this book, always in 5 pounds batches, simply by having the 10 pounds listings, and all have been very successful. A good deal is spent on explaining the hows and whys as well as some incredibly detailed information about some of our most controversial of ingredients as well as some very good scientific explanations as to the nutritive properties and processes from curing and fermentation. Great reference book with tons of great recipes. This is the Sausage Bible. Teaches the fundamentals of meat prep, the whats and the whys and answers technical questions about what ingredients do what in the sausage. Gives you excellent guidelines on how to come up with your own recipes. Number 4. Easy Sausage Making Guide. Have you ever dreamed of creating delicious sausages from scratch? It's easier than you think. This guide will take you through the essential techniques and recipes to make mouth-watering sausages at home. Learn the secrets to perfectly seasoned textured sausages. We'll cover everything from meat selection and grinding to casing and cooking methods. You'll become a sausage-making pro in no time. Our first recipe is a timeless classic. This Italian sausage is bursting with flavor and is perfect for pasta dishes, sandwiches, or simply enjoying on its own. Next, we'll tackle a spicy chorizo recipe. This vibrant sausage is full of bold flavors and is great for adding a kick to your meals. Finally, we'll make a hearty breakfast sausage. It's the perfect way to start your day and is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it with eggs, pancakes, or on its own. We'll share some handy tips and tricks to ensure your sausages turn out perfectly every time. From troubleshooting common issues to advanced techniques, we've got you covered. Now you have the knowledge and recipes to embark on your sausage-making adventure. Get creative, experiment with flavors, and enjoy the delicious rewards of your homemade creations. What we like. This one focuses on simple techniques and essential recipes. If you're a beginner or short on time, it's perfect for you. Its straightforward approach makes sausage making accessible to everyone. What people say. He has been making several different kinds of sausage from the book. Easy instructions and very informative. The procedures were excellent, although I don't think that 5 full minutes of mixing was at all necessary. In fact, I think that much mixing makes the sausage a bit tough. The sausage turned out looking wonderful, and aside from still being salty, excessively garlicky, and a bit tough, it was pretty good. Number 3. Sausage Making Guide. Welcome to the wonderful world of sausage making. This guide will take you through everything you need to know, from selecting the right meat to mastering the perfect seasoning blend. The foundation of any great sausage is the meat. We'll explore different cuts and how their fat content affects the final product. Discover what works best for your recipe. Learn the secrets to achieving the ideal grind for your sausage. We'll cover different grinders and techniques to ensure a consistent texture every time. This section is all about flavor. We'll explore a variety of herbs, spices, and curing methods to create unique and delicious sausages. Let's unlock the flavor potential. It's time to bring it all together. Learn the proper techniques for stuffing and linking your sausages, ensuring a beautiful and professional finish. From grilling to smoking, we'll guide you through various cooking methods to achieve perfectly cooked sausages every time. Get ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Now for the best part. This guide includes a collection of delicious sausage recipes, from classic Italian to spicy chorizo. Let's get cooking. What we like. It's considered the definitive guide, offering complete recipes and expert advice. If you want a comprehensive resource and in-depth knowledge, this is your go-to guide. It covers everything you need to know to become a sausage-making master. What people say. The first section is what is definitive. In text and about the best photos ever, Mr. Farr both shows and tells wannabe sausage makers every last basic technique we need to know: trimming, cutting into pieces for grinding, fat-to-meat ratios, the importance of emulsification, spicing and mixing and, well, whatever. For making sausage at home, this book will take you from beginner to advanced. The writing is straightforward, the illustrations are clear and helpful, and the formulas tell you what types and percentages of meat, fat, liquid and other ingredients to use in various types of sausages. This book has a very detailed yet concise template about how to make sausage. The template was very easy to understand and use, even easy enough that I could synthesize the methods with those of Mariinsky and make some of my own decisions. Number 2. Sausage making recipes. Welcome to the wonderful world of sausage making. Learn the art and science behind creating delicious, healthy sausages right in your own kitchen. Get ready to explore a vast range of flavors and techniques. Discover the secrets to crafting perfect sausages. We'll cover everything from selecting the right meats to mastering essential techniques for a superior product. It's easier than you think. This book is packed with 150 exciting and healthy sausage recipes. From classic favorites to innovative creations, there's something for every palate and skill level. Prepare to be inspired. Explore a diverse range of sausage types, from spicy chorizo to classic hot dogs. Each recipe provides clear instructions and helpful tips to ensure success. Let's get started. Learn the science behind sausage making, including proper curing, grinding, and stuffing techniques. With this knowledge, you'll be able to create sausages that are both delicious and safe to eat. Enjoy the process. This collection features a wide variety of recipes, catering to different tastes and dietary needs. You'll find everything from mild and savory to spicy and bold options. Let your culinary creativity shine. What we like. It blends the art and science of sausage making with 150 healthy recipes. If you prioritize health and variety, this cookbook is ideal. It offers a wide range of options, from chorizo to hot dogs, all with a focus on healthy ingredients. What people say. Cookbook is very well written, and the sausages have been excellent. I have made several now and all have turned out great. Great Sausage How to Guide to Making Sausage. Loaded with useful information and tons of great recipes. So far, every sausage recipe I tried came out awesome. It's a very versatile book. The variation of recipes in this book was a big surprise and an enjoyable one at that. Tried a few recipes and they were very good. The recipes in the book are killer. Number 1. 1001 Greatest Sausage Recipes. Get ready to explore a world of flavor. This collection has over 1001 amazing sausage recipes to satisfy every palate. From classic breakfast links to gourmet creations, it has something for every meal and every occasion. Find your new favorite sausage recipe today. Each recipe is easy to follow, with clear instructions and helpful tips. Even beginner cooks can create delicious sausages. It features recipes from around the world, showcasing the diverse and exciting ways to prepare sausages. Expand your culinary horizons. With 1001 Greatest Sausage Recipes, you'll have everything you need to become a sausage-making master. Let your culinary creativity shine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this cookbook is a must-have for any sausage enthusiast. It's a delicious adventure waiting to begin. What we like. It boasts an incredible 1001 recipes, offering endless variety. If you love trying new things and exploring different flavors, this is the ultimate sausage recipe collection. It guarantees you'll never run out of exciting sausage ideas. What people say. The book itself is all about the recipes, yet, it begins with some basic sausage making practices and teaches some of the science of sausage making without delving too deep. It is fast reading and good info. Everyone will pick up something in the tips section. All have a little note of its history and or where it's from or how it came to be. And or, some other cool bits of knowledge. Also, each recipe is laid out in grams and imperial volume measurements. I prefer and use grams as I like the percentage game of making sausage. Furthermore, each recipe occupies its half of the page, if it needs the whole half or not. The recipes do not bleed over into another page nor do you have to flip the page to follow the recipe. Recipes are not stacked on top of each other either. The format is perfect. 1001 Greatest Sausage Recipes is an unbelievably valuable book. The mind-boggling amount of work that went into this book is incredible. You get 1001 recipes collected by Adam and Stanley from all over the world that in all likelihood took them their entire lives. Every chapter, fresh sausage, smoked sausage, etc., has an easy-to-use index that also highlights the country of origin that the sausage would have been made in. Many of the sausage recipes have a bio paragraph that highlights things like texture, how it would be traditionally served and prepared. Not only that, but they have detailed instructions on how to prepare these sausages in the authentic way they would be made in their region. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.